Okay, so ek weet julle is moeg, so ons gaan net gou vinnig maak, nee? Ek gaan julle nie huiswerk gee nie. En dan kan julle verder chill. Okay. Right, so question or exercise 8 said los op vir x en illustreer jou antwoord op 'n getalle lyn wat ek gedoen het. Ek gaan dit nou gou vir julle bysit. Maak 'n ruwe skets van 'n partikel vir elke vraag om jou te help om die antwoord te vind. Okay, so number 1, x squared minus 16 must be less than 0. So what I first did is I factorized those and it would be x plus 4, x minus 4. Nee? Nou, hulle sê spesifiek vir jou teken 'n ruwe skets sodat jy mooi kan sien which part will be positive, which part will be negative, nee? Okay, now because that graph is less than 0. Beteken dit eintlik waar is my y-waardes kleiner as 0? Met ander woorde, waar is y-waardes? Negatief. Right? Okay. And where would my y values be negative? That's going to be this part. Nee. Okay. So that would be that bottom part. Nee. Okay. En toe het ek ook vir julle gesê, onthou, sien jy dit is aan een, nee? It's not two separate pieces. So that's why we write it as one as well. So basically we're going to go from minus 4 up until positive 4. So that's why I say x will be greater than minus 4, but also less than 4. So ek skryf hom aan 1. Are you guys good with that? Okay. Nou, wat ek vergeet het, is om 'n getalle lyn te gaan teken. Nou moet ek hom gou weer ergens inpas. So kom ons, ek gaan gou so maak. My skerm is gekraak. Ek kan net in die een helfte van my skerm skryf. So it's going to look like this. So our answer was x will be less than. Okay, met ander woorde, as dit minus 4 is, and that's 4, het ons gister gesê, if it is a open dot, it's not equal to. Nee? If it's a solid dot, dan is hy gelyk aan, so ons moet hê oop kolletjies. Okay. So that will be what it's going to look like. Are you guys fine with that? Nee. Okay, nou kom ons kyk gou hierdie onderste enetjie. X kwadraat minus 25 en dit moet wees groter of gelyk aan 0. So because it's greater than 0, it means I want my y values to be positive. Okay, so if I go and factorize that, it's going to be x minus 5, x plus 5. Now, waar is my y-waardes positief? It will be this part and that part. Nee, daai twee boonste armpies. And you can see that it's two separate pieces. So dit gaan ook wees twee aparte goed wat ek gaan neerskryf, twee aparte antwoorde. So how do I describe this part? I'm going to say x must be, it goes from minus 5 and then it will be minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 ensovoorts. Nee? So that's why I say x must be less than minus 5. Goed, hoe praat ek van daai deel? X is mos 5 en dan mag hy ook wees 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ensovoort. So dit is hoekom ek sê x moet wees groter as 5. You guys fine with that? Okay, so let's just draw the number line. So it's going to start at minus 5 and go up until 5. And it is solid dots, want hy mag gelyk wees. Nee, solide kolletjies. En x is kleiner as minus 5, means it goes that way. And x is greater than 5, means it goes that way. Is julle reg? Moet ek, Ayona, gooi graai deur vir ons toe asseblief. Any questions? Is julle okay? Verstaan almal hierdie? Good. Kan ek skip? Skryf iemand nog? Okay. Nee, skryf rustig klaar. Goed. Okay, goed. Kom ons kyk gou hierdie enetjie. This is now exercise 9. Hier sê hulle vir my, gee die waardes van x waarvoor die uitdrukking reëel is. Nee? Okay, so for that expression to be real, we basically want whatever's written inside that root to be positive or equal to 0. Stem julle saam? Nee, hy moet net gelyk wees aan 0 of enige positiewe antwoord. En dit is hoekom ek begin deur te sê, dit wat ek binne in die wortel gehad het, must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so does everyone understand that part? And now from here on, it actually looks like what we had in exercise 8. Nee, so dan gaan faktoriseer ek, daai raak x plus 4, x minus 4, still greater than 0. Nou gaan teken ek gou my sketsie, om vir my te help. So, because that is greater than 0, it means my y values must be what? Positive or negative? Groter as 0, soek ek vir positiewe waardes. So ek praat van daai deel en die deel. Nee, okay. So twee aparte goedjies. So, hoe praat ek van hierdie gedeelte? Onthou, hy begin waar x minus 4 is, but it goes minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and so forth. So that's why I say x must be less than negative 4. Okay, now the second arm over here, it starts where x is 4, but then it goes, x is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, met ander woorde, ek raak groter, nee. So x must be greater than and equal to 4. Is julle reg? Any questions? Okay, kan ek skip? Anyone still copying? Dit was nie hier nodig vir talle lyne teken nie, nee, en het net gevra die x-waardes. Alright. Goed, die volgende enetjie, omdat ek nog nie klaar geskryf nie. Again, I just want to know where would it be real. So, inside that root, ek gaan sommer dit hier skryf. Binne in daai wortel, dit wil ek hê, moet wees groter as of gelyk aan 0. Nee, it's just to explain to you why we do it. Jy hoef nie daai te geskryf het nie. Okay, so that's why I'm going to say 4x squared minus 9 must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, dan gaan faktoriseer ons. Ons sê 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 must be greater than and equal to 0. Nou, onthou wil dit nie hierdie keer vir jou gevra jy met 'n sketsie teken nie. I am only doing it so I can explain to you guys, né? So as ek my sketsie sou gaan teken, is nog steeds 'n positiewe grafiek, so it's going to look like that. What would those x values be? Ek gaan dit nou uitvee. Usually we would say 2x minus 3, make it equal to 0. So 2x is equal to positive 3, met ander woorde x is dan 3 op 2, nee. And the other one would just be negative 3 over 2. Is julle by met dit? Okay, so met ander woorde 3 over 2 and negative 3 over 2. Nee. Okay, now, because they say that must be greater than and equal to 0, it's the same as saying y values must be greater than and equal to 0. Met ander woorde, y-waardes moet positief wees. So ek soek daai boonste twee armpies. Nee. Okay, nou hoe gaan skryf ons hulle? Ek gaan sê x moet wees kleiner as en gelyk aan minus 3 op 2. And that second arm, x must be greater than or equal to positive 3 over 2. Any questions? Okay. Goed. That was only 9 minutes. So daar's nog 'n tydjie oor. Maar ek is net bang want ons moet nou doen gelyktydige oplos. simultaneous solving. So ek gaan daai stukkie hou vir môre wanneer ek almal hier het en vars het and you guys don't have homework. Okay.